Hello ladies and gents, welcome to another vlog. As I'm just cruising about, taking it easy. Life is good, can't complain. I am on my way to Whole Foods to take care of some errands, and I'm on my way to Manhattan to take care of some more errands. Just kind of taking it easy, kind of relaxing a little bit. Not doing anything particularly crazy. Doing it by the book. Most importantly, testing the new mic. A new microphone, which is very exciting. Extremely exciting. I love these delivery drivers. They're just running lights left and right. And yeah, the camera position is different, so this whole thing will be a little bit different. A little bit of a change up, because I usually do my camera right now is upside down. I might have to do some rewiring, you know. I set this crazy pace for myself with all these vlogs, but quality control is also important, you know, infinitely. Here we go. I know a perfect way to get to the Whole Foods, so that's what we're gonna do. It's not too hot. It's like high 70s, low 80s. But it's actually windy and cool. That girl is enjoying her ponytail. I forgot what I was doing there for a second. Forgot that I'm actually riding my bike. Come on, bro. You're gonna have to turn. Seems like there'll be a cop ahead. There we go. Yes, sir. Where's the pow-pow? I don't even see them. Oh, over there, I guess. It's all good. I'll get ahead. I don't know if this person will get too upset. I mean, everybody's already upset, so not much more I can do to make the situation worse. Perfect little breeze, micro breeze. Kind of like microgreens, but in the breeze form. What street are we on? What is this? 6th Street? We need 4th. We're certainly not there yet. Oh boy, looks like a mess over there. It's okay. We'll face it head on. Really, guy? That's your fucking pullout? This guy pulled out in front of me just to do that. That was so cool, man. Incredibly impressive. Bedford popping off. I don't know why I come to this area. Well, I mean, I know why. I gotta do an errand, but beyond that, look at this dude. Is this dude literally about to stop right here? Like it's some sort of a... Okay. There we go. The tourism is heavy and not pretty. Go ahead, kids. No, it's not me. For a second I thought my bike was making these horrible squeaking noises, but it's not. No idea what these folks are doing here. Terrible. Terribly unacceptable. But things will be okay. Lady, come on. Is this... What is even happening, ma'am? Alright, let's just relax. Holy bananas. Alright, now I'm gonna park on this block over here. You'll be fine. Everybody's okay. Super quick. Alright. We'll be back in a couple minutes to continue this nonsense. And I'm very much curious to see if the quality of the microphone is any better, because I am using a $30 or $40 condenser mic from Sony. I don't know why I feel so awkward. I mean, I do. But, you know, we'll be okay. Alright, kids. I'll talk to you soon.